Hi, this is Jack, a manufacturer, business owner of garments products and a professional exporter as well. I started my business journey as an importer and delivered my premium grade products to pre-booked customers. Producing high-quality products, I put each of them in a super box and with gum tape, I wrap them properly to deliver. To be honest, I tried my level best, from sourcing to packaging, to satisfy the valuable customers. But I failed. Yeah, I failed, really. And that was a very sad story indeed. The quality of all products was reduced by moisture damage and the shape of the box was disfigured badly because of a long ocean voyage. So 90% of the products got rejected from the customer's door. As a result, they were unsatisfied and disappointed. Also, they were bothered. On the other hand, I was exhausted and I was tired of moving forward. For that, the dream of being an entrepreneur was destroyed. And then, I identified the sources of moisture that damaged the products. After that, I detected the issues that disappointed my potential customers. And then, to prevent moisture damage, I found a proper and exact solution to go ahead. Here is Best Dry Desiccant from Best Silica Gel Packaging. Yes, you listened correctly. That is the Best Dry, manufactured by Best Silica Gel Packaging, to soak up moisture, nasty mold and rust. Besides, it keeps the product's quality as before and the box in shape as well, so that helps make the customers happy. The added moisture can do a great deal of damage to those materials, but Desiccant protects them with its exceptional moisture absorption capabilities. From my experience, rest assured that as your exported products are on the way within the container, this began to be something of a frustrating experience of the wide range of temperature changes in the voyage and lots of humidity and water condensation that occurs nasty mold, rust and moisture. And things to know, large fluctuation is a common issue in ocean transport. So receiving the damaged product is even more disappointing for all, right? So don't you want to expand your business like me? Or don't you want your products to get the client's door in perfect shape? Then there's no other way to go. Moreover, Best Dry for Container Desiccant provides powerful absorption of the water vapor within, controlling the humidity level properly and absorbing more than 300% of its own weight. Another thing, for the products, Best Silica Gel Packaging supplies premium grade Best Dry as my demand to use in the box. Besides, they're manufacturing all types of desiccants like white silica gel desiccant, blue silica gel desiccant, orange silica gel desiccant, pharma silica gel desiccant, natural clay desiccant, dry clay craft desiccant, Best Dry, superior desiccant, and Best Dry container desiccant, and more for shipping to protect the goods against water damage while it's in transit. So why are you waiting to try? Get in touch with them by this mail. They'll be glad to hear from you.